Today I'm going to show you how an espresso coffee maker works. First, you pour in the water. Put the filter, the coffee, then you screw it back in. You boil it. And just wait for the coffee to come out of here. Pour and enjoy. Delicious. Thanks for watching.